Hello everyone, I'm once again having the exact same problem that I was having before. Well, not the exact same problem, but same area, the NPC dialogue code. Now I've worked on the game a little bit since the last time I uploaded a video requesting assistance, but I'm still having some of the similar issues that I was having before, so I wanted to go ahead and cover this. But now we have a title screen and some crazy music, some sound effects, and select new game, and now we're actually in an area. We have a player that doesn't look super weird, and we have some collision and all this kind of stuff. So a little bit of progress done on the game itself, but we still have these same two NPCs that we had before. Jack, again, just as before, works perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with him. You can talk to him all day, and everything you want to do with Jack works as intended. Now, pay attention to this. Number 4 says, tell me about the underground organizations. So I'm just going to go ahead and go up to, I'll talk to you later. And now I'm going to go over to Jasmine. Now Jasmine is only supposed to have nice to meet you. This is another response option. Goodbye, Jasmine. She's just right now a test NPC to test a second NPC in the world. The first one works fine. Whenever you add her in, it doesn't work at all. And I've tried completely deleting her and creating her again from scratch, and it still doesn't work. If you go down here, like this is a response option from Jack, from the other NPC object, and it makes no sense why that information carried over, because all of those variables are supposed to be local. Also, if you choose Goodbye Jasmine, sometimes it doesn't work. Well, it worked that time, but let's try again. Okay. See? Right there, I just tried it, it didn't work. Every time I'm selecting this, it's not working. Okay, sometimes it takes a few tries. Sometimes I'll sit there and do it 6-7 times before it'll finally work. And then, you can go back to Jack, and his stuff still works perfectly fine. Well, wait, that was kind of weird. I'll talk to you later. Actually only works some of the time on him. That's really weird. So I'm not sure why it's doing that either. And if we go back to Jasmine, wow, it still has this over here with her, even though it's not at Jack anymore. So I'm not sure why it's carrying over that information, and I'm not sure why it's not exiting out every single time I hit goodbye. Because it was before, it was always doing that, and now it's not. So basically the way it works, just as before, whenever you first initiate a conversation with the NPC, start chat is equal to true, therefore it's the first time you're talking to the NPC. The NPC will have initial dialogue and initial player responses. Whenever you select a response, it will then do different things, remove options and add more options, and then you just go through the whole process, and then at the very end, whenever you do the I'll talk to you later, changes the text of the NPC, so whenever you come back it says something new. It backs up the responses, so you can come back to the NPC and it says the same dialogue options. Sets restart NPC to equal true, which is another if statement towards the top, and clears the controller and then goes to room 0. There's no if statements, there's no condition for exiting to room 0. It's supposed to always do that whenever you select I'll talk to you later. So I'm not sure why this is some of these options are carrying over to Jasmine, and I'm not sure why this isn't functioning properly. So I guess I'm asking for assistance in any way possible. If anyone can take a look over it and maybe tell me what's going on, tell me where my bugs are. I'd greatly appreciate it.